I start from line 197. Twinkle, that's more to me than my wedding, yet this is your humblest fairy monster. He says, I don't mind much that I have been wet in this filthy pool, but what matters to him much is that they have lost their wine bottle. Stefano, I will fetch off my bottle, though I be over ears for my labor. Stefano says that anyhow I'll go and fetch my bottle, whether this water comes up to my ears also. Caliban, pray thee, my king, be quiet. Now he says, I pray to thee that be quiet. Seest thou here? This is the mouth of the cell. No noise and enter. Do that good mischief which may make this island thine own forever. Now here Caliban says that I request you, and what he addresses Stefano as my king, be quiet. He says, look at we have come to Prospero's cell and look at this place. This is the mouth, or this is the entrance to his Prospero's cell. Make no noise and enter the cell and do that good mischief. Good mischief here means kill Prospero, which may make this island thine own. And if you kill him, this island will be yours. And I thy Caliban, for I thy footlicker, and I will be your Caliban, and I will be your slave. Footlicker here means slave forever. Stefano, give me thy hand. I do begin to have bloody thought. He says, you give me your hand, and now I have begun to have bloody here means ferocious thoughts. Trincello, O King Stefano, O peer, O worthy Stefano, look what a wardrobe here is for thee. As Stefano was about to enter Prospero's cell, Trincello sees the beautiful garments of the king, and he says that, O Stefano, O peer means my friend, worthy Stefano, look what beautiful clothes are here on this line. Caliban, let it alone, thou fool, it is but trash. And Caliban says that you just forget about you. You are a foolish person. All these clothes, all these shiny clothes, they are what? Trash. Trash means rubbish. Because his aim is right here now to kill Prospero. Trincello, oh no, monster. We know what belongs to a frippery. He says we know what belongs to frippery. Frippery means ओल्ड क्लोथ शॉप, जहाँ पर पुरानी चीज़ें मिलती हैं. तो हम कह रहे हैं हमें बहुत अच्छे से पता है फ्रिपरी में क्या क्या चीज़ें मिलती हैं. ओ किंग स्टीफेनो, एंड ही सेज, ओ किंग स्टीफेनो, कम एंड सी. स्टीफेनो, पुट ऑफ दैट गाउन, ट्रिंकेलो, बाय दिस हैंड, I'll have that gown. He says, just take out that gown and give it to me. Trincello, thy grace shall have it. And it's okay, if you want this gown, I'll give it to you. Caliban, the dropsy drowned this fool. And he gets so angry on Trincello. He says, this disease, dropsy, may fall on you and you may die. What do you mean to dote thus on such luggage? He says, you are paying attention to all this useless things. Okay? Let's along and do the murder first. He says, you can take these things later. First, what you have to do is do the murder. If he awake from toe to crown, he'll fill our skins with pinches. He says, if he gets up and he knows, and he comes to know that we had plans to kill him, then what would happen? He would pinch us, and we will be getting cramps and pains right from the crown, right from the head to our feet. He'll fill our skins with pinches. फ्रॉम टो टू क्राउन, पूरा पैरों से लेकर सिर तक सारी जगह पिंचेस कर देगा वो, एंड वी विल बी येलिंग विथ पेन. मेक अस स्ट्रेंज स्टफ, इतना हमें टॉर्चर कर देगा, इतना पिंच कर देगा कि हम लगेंगे नहीं, हम कुछ और चीज़ लगेंगे. राइट स्टीफेनो, बट यू क्वाइट. स्टीफेनो टेल्स Caliban, you be quiet, monster. Mistress Line, is not this my jerkin? Now he's drunk, so he's calling the lime tree on which that rod is, that wire is fixed. He's calling that tree Mistress Line. Okay, is not this my jerkin? He says there must be some jacket on it. He says, is this mine? Now is this jerkin under the line? So that jacket was above the line. वो उस तार पे टंगी हुई थी जर्किन, तो उसने तार से हटा लिया, अब तार के नीचे आ गई वो, ठीक है, अंडर दैट क्लोथ्स लाइन। तो वो क्या कह रहा है, नाउ इज दिस जर्किन अंडर द लाइन। नाउ जर्किन यू आर लाइक टू लूज योर हेयर एंड प्रूव अ बॉल्ड जर्किन। There was a belief that if the people cross the line at the equator, what would happen? Their hair would go off, all right, and they will become bald, गंजे हो जाएंगे। तो उसको लगा ये जैकेट में फर वाली जैकेट होगी, तो वो उसने उसको वो कपड़ों के तार से उतारा और उसको नीचे ले आया, ठीक है। अब वो कह रहा अब ये जो जैकेट है फर वाली जैकेट, ये लाइन के नीचे आ गई है, अब ये क्या हो जाएगी, ये बॉल्ड हो जाएगी, ये गंजी हो जाएगी, ऑल द फेदर्स विल गो ऑफ। ट्रिंकेलो, डू वी स्टील बाय लाइन एंड लेवल। हाँ ऐसे करो, हम कैसे स्टील कर रहे हैं, बहुत सिस्टमैटिकली हम स्टील कर रहे हैं। एंड लाइक योर ग्रेस, ही आस्क्ड स्टीफेनो कि हम बड़े सिस्टमैटिकली स्टील कर रहे हैं, चोरी कर रहे हैं लेकिन सिस्टमैटिकली। स्टीफेनो, आई थैंक दी फॉर दैट जेस्ट। इस चीज के लिए मैं तुम्हारा थैंक यू करता हूँ। हियर्स अ गारमेंट फॉर इट, और उसको थैंक यू करने के लिए उसको एक गारमेंट उतार के दे देता है। विच शैल नॉट गो अनरिवॉर्डेड व्हाइल आई एम किंग ऑफ दिस कंट्री। He says, अगर मैं इस कंट्री का किंग हूँ तो अगर कोई विटी हो, इंटेलिजेंट हो, तो उसको मैं रिवॉर्ड करूंगा। स्टील बाय लाइन एंड लेवल इज एन एक्सलेंट पास ऑफ पेट, देयर इज अनदर गारमेंट फॉर इट। उसने कहा ये लाइन जो है ये बहुत अच्छी थी, ये बहुत अच्छा जोक है, और ऐसे अच्छे जोक के लिए मैं तुम्हें एक और गारमेंट देता हूँ।